the door. No, we got the link card too. We finna go.
DJ, I'm not playing.
We got your credit card, everything.
Get your crusty ass feet off my seat.
We got your phone.
Foot ass boy.
You ain't getting in this. What's up, y'all? It's your boy DJ, and it's your girl Lyric. And we're back with another banger.
Today we're gonna be locking my dad and mom out the car.
Yeah, because they think that mom is going upstairs to get her phone because we're about to go somewhere. She thinks she left her phone upstairs, but it's really down here. So we're basically locking them out the car.
And we just did because we locked them.
Yeah, lock the doors. And yeah, that's basically the video.
Let's
do this
Finger.
banger. All right, let's do this. Watch your phone, Lyric. Watch your phone.
DJ, you got my phone. Why would you have me go upstairs if you got the phone? Alright, I'm gonna hit you in your fucking head when I get in the car. DJ! DJ!
Open the door, mama. Mama.
DJ!
Mama.
Don't listen.
Mommy.
I'm gonna be
Open the door.
DJ!
Open the door. Mom, open the door, mom. Is y'all okay?
They okay? I'm not okay. Open the door!
No, I really want to know if they okay, because they really see us and they act like they don't see us. Yo! Are y'all mute? What y'all doing?
Turn the music off and listen to me. I'm not playing. Exactly, so he hear me.
Open the door.
DJ!
I'm telling you now. You don't open this door, I'm going to turn your butt to a potato skin. Open the door.
DJ!
I'm about to bust the window. The glass gonna fall like this. I'm about to bust the window.
Turn the music.
Open this for me about to bust the window. You ever had glass in your mouth? I'm about to bust the window.
DJ, listen. Alright, I'm not playing with y'all. Lyric, you looking at me. Open the door.
No, we're driving off, Lyric. Turn on the steering wheel, Lyric. Bye, y'all. We found a Target.
Yeah.
We got y'all credit card too. We got y'all link card. She's trying to get the car.
Open the door.
No,
I'm not playing.
we got the link card. We got we got the link card too. We finna go.
DJ, I'm not playing.
We got y'all credit card, everything.
Get your crusty ass feet off my seat.
Literally.
We got your phone.
Foot ass boy.
You ain't getting in the stone. You can't make me open the door. Y'all can't do it. Look at these car keys. Look at these car keys. Look at
Open the
these.
door, baby. Open the door.
No, Lyric, don't open the door. You know.
Lyric, open the door.
Throw this one through a window.
Woo! Woo! Oh my God!
Open it now.
Hey, I saw the stick. No.
Lyric, why you not open the door, baby? You don't want me to be sick with the baby brother?
Hey, no. What about daddy? I get you some candy.
Dad, you don't get it. I keep quiet with your fat nose, apple face.
DJ, you're on punishment.
Fat nose apple face. I know you ain't talking to me.
You are, you fat face.
Open the door, man.
You like do it off the Rice Krispie box.
Do it on the right Christmas.
Stop clicking that damn thing.
Hey, Urkel.
You look like the dude
What's
that
up,
sells
Urkel?
chicken outside the gas
What's
station.
up, Urkel?
My phone, I need to check the baby.
You can go upstairs and check on the baby.
No, I need to see what they do.
Mama, you can see what they're doing from the...
You not gonna open the door for me?
No, Lyric.
What you think you're doing? Lyric.
Where's your
Lyric.
phone?
Oh my
You
God.
don't open this door right now.
That's a pet. I see the pet, boy.
Damn hanger. Why would you let them lock the damn door? Y'all should let me in and leave her silly ass out.
Wait, if we let you in, will you not let her in?
Heck no. Why would she be all the keys? What's wrong with her?
Y'all left the keys in the car on accident.
Y'all lock the door this raining. Do y'all want us to be sick?
Yeah.
What you mean? Yeah. What? Yeah,
The way y'all been treating us lately, putting us on punishment and everything.
Lots of things. I give you lots of things. Candy, cupcakes, muffins, Man, you gonna pay for all them hunks? I got
Stop
1,000
buzzing that
snacks.
thing for you.
Here, Here.
You gonna make the battery go out. Now stop. I'm not playing with you. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. So you locked me out the car? So you locked me out the car? DJ, you thought that was funny? Oh, okay. Lock his ass out. Give me the key. Right. Get out the car.
Yeah, I want to jump DJ.
No, lock his ass out. Boom, here, boom, boom, boom.
Give me that phone.
Get my phone, Tay. Get my phone. And y'all recording? So y'all was shooting a video?
Yeah.
They was shooting a damn video.
Video.
Where he have my damn phone?
So y'all think y'all pranksters now?
Give me my phone.
Y'all think y'all pranksters or something?
Open the door. So y'all was shooting a video? Yeah.
Y'all think y'all pranksters, right? Cool.
Here. I'm about to beat your ass. Here. You about to get your first ass whooping today, of the day. Put some damn shoes on before you be sick. Oh no, take it the baseball bat. Lock the door. I'm finna beat your ass. No, ain't no locking no damn door. No, hell no. No. Why would y'all lock us out?
Because
Do you want me to be sick with the new baby? Lyric?
Mama, listen, that's your problem. You are not pregnant anymore. I don't care about you when you was pregnant. Listen.
Oh, y'all get out the car now.
What the fuck I gotta get off
Get
of?
out the car. 'Cause I really feel like you knew that was going. Get out the car.
Why would I want to be no?
She helped us. She helped us.
Everybody get out the car now.
Why would I
Get
help
out
you
the
if
car.
I'm outside?
Everybody get out the freaking car. Goodbye.
Mama,
You too,
come on,
Boogie.
baby.
Everybody get out the car. Goodbye.
Come on.
I don't want to see y'all no longer.
We
Goodbye.
gotta go to the store.
What?
Let's go to the store.
Going nowhere with y'all?
I gotta pee. Okay, come on, DJ, where are you at?
Right here.
You better have shoes on your feet. Where your shoes at?
Right here.
We already in this damn rain. Y'all tripping out to be smelling like whole wet ass
I
dogs.
need new socks, everything, bro. Y'all do this.
Y'all, they really fell
Go,
for
baby,
it
go,
too.
go, go ahead. Go back upstairs. No, go back upstairs. Go back up. Well, y'all gotta close y'all video. Y'all gonna leave the cameras?
Right, here, come on.
Go ahead, close the video. Hurry up, cause y'all tripping. It's wet as hell out here. For real.
All right, y'all. So they fell for it. Move your hand on the camera. They fell for it.
They fell for
Mama
it.
over there feeling salty.
Yeah.
See her outside the car.
Come on.
All right. All right, wait, hold on. All right, we'll see y'all in the next video. All right, now you can put your hand on the camera. Close it.
How do you turn this?
Put your hand on the camera.
All right, come on, DJ. Block the camera and walk in the house. You gotta hold the camera so you can't see. I mean, so that I'm saying so it don't get wet. That's what I'm saying.